Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to change Instagram notification sound on iOS 17. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. The Access Instagram settings. Open the app. Tap on the profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen and click on the three bars at the upper right corner. To customize your Instagram notifications, navigate to Notifications, Messages, and Enable Options. After you've done so, in your iPhone Settings app, select Sounds and Haptics, Text Zone, and select your preferred notification sounds. Instagram notifications now play the selected sound, but all incoming notifications will play the same sound. Let's hope that Apple fixes this issue in a later iOS release. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.